Hi guys! So finally, nakauwi na ako. Ang tagal kong hinintay itong oras na to na makauwi ng bahay kasi girl, sobrang pagod na ako. Actually, parang buong linggo nga akong pagod. Kung mapapanood yung mga recent vlogs ko, halos parang buong linggo ako nasa labas. Kaya bago magpahinga, ililigo ko muna to girl. Kasi parang iba na siya eh. Parang may something na siya. Tara na, and i-share ko na rin sa inyo yung night routine ko. Okay guys, I'm done, I'm fresh, I'm free, I'm alive, lahat na. Feeling ko ibang tao na ulit ako kasi girl, sobrang fresh ko na ngayon. And by the way, ito rin pala yung soap na ginamit ko. This is the Silka Whitening Herbal Soap. What I really like about this soap is talagang mafe-feel mo yung freshness, yung linis ng katawan mo after shower. Plus, it has papaya enzymes and vitamin E, kaya habang tuloy-tuloy ko siyang ginagamit, mas nafe-feel ko na yung skin ko is mas nagiging healthier and brighter dahil dito. And then, every after shower, hindi pwedeng hindi ako makapag-lotion. And ito yung ginagamit ko right now. This is the Silka Whitening Lotion. This one has niacinamide, vitamin E, and SPF 6. Kaya I never skip this after shower because I love how it keeps my skin feeling moisturized and nourished before I go to bed. I also like using them together. Like, together talaga na after ligo, talagang rectang lotion ako. Kasi for me, mas complete yung body care routine ko pag tandem ko silang ginagamit. I also like that they are budget friendly, kaya madali lang din maging consistent with my routine. If you're looking for a simple body care routine, why not try this too? This is the Silka Whitening Herbal Soap and the Silka Whitening Lotion together. Baka magustuhan nyo rin. Anyway, magpapatuyo na lang din ako ng hair and I'm finally calling it a day. Good night!